Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Emma here at Curbside Herbs. It's a beautiful night here in Western New York and we're outside harvesting some wild ramps or leeks, depending on what you like to call them. This is what they look like when they come out of the ground, except they're covered in dirt. We're in the process of washing them off. You can see our hose. And then from there we are cutting off all of the roots, which you see here in this pile. And then from there we're chopping off all of the leaves. And here we have a whole bunch of wild ramps / leeks. They smell oniony and smell delicious. I put them in soups and stews and in my chili in the wintertime. So again, this is what they look like. This is the part that we want. We want to take off all that dead skin and all the dirt, and then chop off the roots and the leaves, and then there you have it. So that's what we're up to tonight. Hey everybody, now that we got our ramps / leeks all washed up, we separated them out and we put them in our food dehydrator. So we're going to leave them in the food dehydrator overnight, and by tomorrow morning they should be almost ready to take out of the food dehydrator and to store for the winter months when I want them for my soups or my stews or my chili.